Hello, friends. We are doing lesson 24 for phonics. Let's get busy. All right, lesson 24, our learning targets. I can complete my word recognition assessment. I can read wiggle cards with fluency, and I can ask and answer questions about key details in the story, The Harvest. So word recognition assessment. For this activity, you must listen carefully to me. For each number, I will say one word. You must find that word in the row and circle it, okay? So you're going to look at 24.1, that sheet. Okay, look at this. All right, here we go. Number 1, bounce. Bounce. Number 2, mice. Mice. Number 3, link. Link. Number 4, whip. Whip. Number 5, tense. Tense. Number 6, percent. Percent. Number 7, not. Not. Number 8, wake. Wake. Number 9, knife. Knife. Number 10, sink. Sink. Okay. So where's one else at? Take us back up here. All right. We got some wiggle cards here now. I want you to oink like a pig. Dance in place. Knock your knees. Slap a pow 5. Hop like a rabbit. Spell your name with your finger. Whisper your name. Hurry. Thank you, who is nice. Thank you for being nice. Slide from side to side. Smile wide. Okay, now let's read a book. The Harvest. Today's story takes place during harvest time. Harvest occurs in the fall season and is when farmers collect things that they've grown all summer long. So let's preview some spellings. We have in spelled with N, like Hank, chunk, think, and thanks. We have W spelled with WH for when and what. And we have other 2-syllable words, harvest, combine, relic, and muffins. Or maybe combine. It's probably combine. All right, let's read today's story to hear what is discovered during harvest. So we're going to escape, go to our story, then our worksheet. The harvest. Mr. Spencer must harvest his corn when it is ripe. He can't let it spoil. It's a big job. Sometimes he has to hire helpers to help him bring in the harvest. Grace likes 2 of the helpers her dad hires. Their names are Hank and Cedric. When they finish 12th grade, they plan to be farmers like Spencer. Mr. Spencer gets out his big combine and fills the tank with gas. Then he starts it up. It sends up a puff of black smoke. The combine is loud, but it is good at cutting down corn. Mr. Spencer drives the combine in the morning. After lunch, he lets Hank and Cedric drive. They drive the combine back and forth until all of the corn is cut down. Grace rides with them part of the time. There's the combine. When they are finished with the harvest, Hank spots what looks like a rock sticking up out of the ground. He bends down and grabs it. "What is it?" Cedric says. "I think it's a chunk of a pot," says Hank. He dusts it off with his fingers and says it could be a relic from a long time back in the past. Back at the house, Hank hands the pot shard to Grace. "Here," he says, "this is for you. We can't tell, but we think it could be a relic." "Thanks," says Grace with a smile. Then she runs to get Hank and Cedric some corn muffins. They sit on the steps and munch on the muffins. Those look yummy, don't they? All right, so now let's go to our worksheet here. The harvest. Does Mr. Spencer bring in the harvest? There were two young men. What do combines do? Ooh, we showed a picture of the combine. What was it doing? Number 3, what did Hank spot on the ground? He saw something sticking out of the ground. What was it? Number 4, where do you think the relic is from? Draw a picture to help you describe the tale of the relic. So make sure you write and draw, okay? All right, so let's go back over here to our story set. All right, and our learning targets: I can complete my word recognition assessment. I can read wiggle cards with fluency. I can ask and answer questions about key details in the story, The Harvest. So we are going to stop sharing there. All right, guys, that's the end of this lesson. I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.